Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 6.5, question number 4, the multiple choice questions. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2 and secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to b, then b into a square minus 1. Here, b into a square minus 1. Here, b is secant theta plus cosecant theta. A square means sin theta plus cos theta whole square, that is sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos square theta. Here with minus 1 also. Here we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore here the remaining thing secant theta plus cosecant theta into 2 sin theta into cos theta. Let us multiply. Here secant theta into 2 sin theta cos theta is secant theta is 1 over cos theta. Here cos theta is up, though it becomes 2 sin theta. Then here cosecant theta is 1 over sin theta. The sin theta will cut here. Therefore, it becomes 2 cos theta. So it is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Here already we have sin theta cos theta is a, therefore it is equal to a. The option is 1. Next, fourth question. 5x equals secant theta. 5 over x is tan theta. Then x square minus 1 minus x square. Here x is secant theta over 5 and 5 over x is given as 4 over x is tan theta. 4 over x is tan theta. Then you know that x square minus 1 over x square is equal x plus 1 over x minus 1 over x. Here x is secant theta over 5 plus 1 over x is tan theta from here over 5. Same like minus secant theta over 5 minus tan theta over 5. Here 1 over 25 is out. Then secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta is secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now we have to do 1 minus 25. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta is, you can write secant square theta minus 1. Instead of tan theta, we are writing secant square theta minus 1. Then opening bracket, secant square cut, then it becomes 1 over 1 into 1 over 25 is 1 over 25. We got the option 2. Question number 6. Sin theta equal to cos theta. Therefore, question number 6. Sin theta equal to cos theta means theta equal 45 degrees. Theta equal to 45 degrees. From that, we can substitute the values of theta in 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Now 2 tan square theta to tan square theta plus sin square minus 1, which is equal to tan square is tan squared 45 plus sin squared 45 minus 1, which is equal to tan squared 45 is 1, 1 square is 1, then sin squared is 1 over root 2 the square minus 1, which is equal to 1 square is 1, 1 over square root of 2 whole square is 1 over 2 minus 1. Then here 1 minus 1 is 0, therefore 2 into half, which is equal to 1. Question number 6. Here 2 tan square plus sin square minus 1. 2 tan square not full, sorry, here this 2 tan square, this is not completely 2 multiplication. Here 2 into tan square, now 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1, which is 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So question number 6 is option 3 by 2. Option 2. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.